Hi everyone, let's do Kaylas Nails. And no, today is not nail day. I only say it's nail day when I have more than one client in a day. So for today, Kayla already had brought in an inspo picture. I was super excited to do this set because it literally included all of the new products that we released this past Friday. Also, at the end of this video, I will show how much she paid for the nails, but I want you to guess right now in the comment section how much you think these nails were. I'm going in with our brush on nail adhesive, which just released on Friday, and I used our extra long coffin nail tips. I was in between two cover colors from the brand new Dulce collection. This one here is Cajeta and then Caramelo. Caramelo, as you guys can see, is a little more peachy tone and Cajeta is more neutral. We have so many new products that just released this past Friday, so go check it out on our website, link on my TikTok bio. As soon as you go on the website, you can see the new arrivals tab. So I'm going in with the cover color Cajeta. It's so gorgeous. And by the way, today is the last day to shop our Labor Day sale. It applies a 20% off automatically, but if you want 30% off, just use any ambassador code of your choice. Here's application only, and I'm just spraying some alcohol so that I can clean it up. When I work with any type of gel polish, I do go in with a thin base of a velvet matte top coat. Of course, I'm using ours. And then I'm going in with 5 colors from the Au Chocolat gel polish collection. And we're going to do lightest to darkest from pinky to thumb. For those of you that don't know, our gel polishes are HEMA free or HEMA free. These are the numbers that I used. And to draw in the Frenchies, I do go in with the 20mm nail art brush. And then I just do the Frenchie smile line and then I just fill it in. I know some people do it differently. Some do the little V French and then a line across. I just go in and draw the French tip smile line. After I go in and draw my French tips and I fill them in, I am going in with a 3D gel. Now, before I apply this, I am going in with the Ultra Gloss top coat. Since our 3D gel is non-wipe, the design also included some little pearls on the ring finger and the pointer finger. So I'm going in with the rhinestone adhesive. Now, this rhinestone adhesive comes as a bundle. It's already on sale, so if you shop now, you get it for even cheaper. But I'm just going in with the 3D gel, and again, it's non-wipe, meaning you can just cure it and go. You don't have to top coat it. But I absolutely loved this set. Here is my timestamp along with the price, and that's it, guys. Bye! Hi everyone, it's Nail Day! So my first client of the day, her name is Amaris, and for her nails, we are going in with the Elegance Extra Long Coffin Nail Tips. Don't forget, guys, to go check out all of our new arrivals on our website. You just click the little link that says new arrivals as soon as you go on the site and check everything out. For the base, I wanted to do, actually, no, she typically lets me freestyle like on everything, which she did for this set as well, but she kind of guided me with what she wanted. She wanted to do a pinky set, and we're going in with Passion, which is such a gorgeous cover color. She also wanted to do such a bling set. I went in with 009 from our Love Potion gel polish collection, added some sugar glitter, and I decorated her nails with a cute little bow and some Swarovskis. And look at how gorgeous these came out. So pretty. My second client of the day, her name is Jasmine, and she is a good friend of mine, so she only does her nails for special occasions. This is her anniversary set. She let me pick between 2 sets, and we went with this gorgeous yellow one, which you guys will see at the end. For the base, I'm going in with the cover color Sensual. Also, for those of you that didn't know, so many of our brand new products finally launched. If you go to our website, click new arrivals, and you will see everything on there. But wait, there is more. We are also having our Labor Day 20% off sale, which is automatically applied. So you're more than welcome to use any ambassador code at checkout and get an extra 10% off. That'll equal 30% off, and it ends this Monday at 11 p.m. Central Time. Link is on my TikTok bio to shop. So continuing on with her application, I am using a size 12 brush, actually. I typically use a 14 or an 18. Here's application only. For the gel yellow color, we're going in with this gorgeous pastel yellow from our springtime gel polish collection. And I'm using the 20mm liner brush from our nail art brush bundle. I was having a little bit of a crisis because I could not find my gold chrome powder. But it's okay, I improvised and I used the Macart foil glue and some gold foil glue, and these came out so gorgeous. And that's it, guys. Bye! Hi everyone, let's do my very first fall set this year. So my client of the day, her name is Leslie. I have not seen her in a while, so I was very excited for her to come back. She's been super busy. but just happy to have her back. So for her nails, she typically goes longer than like the medium length and long length. She kind of goes extra long, but for this set, we couldn't go so long. As you guys can see, her finger kind of goes the opposite way, so she always lets me glue the nail tip facing the other way so that it kind of quote unquote looks straight, not following the natural nail bed. These nail tips, guys, are finally in stock. They are our Elegance extra long coffin nail tips. So many new items just released today. Go to our website, click new arrivals, and everything is on there. Our brown gels, our Bare Me sheer nude gels, our very new cover collection, which I'm using right now. This cover is called Cajeta. We have our nail tip glue that you guys have been wanting and waiting on. It's finally out now. Honestly, just go check it out. We're also having our Labor Day sale, which is 20% off, but if you use an ambassador code, you get an extra 10%, so that's a total of 30. So go shop, link on bio. Here I'm doing application once again using the cover color Cajeta. It's such a beautiful, beautiful shade. Here is the application only. And then we're going in with 005 and 006 for the brown shades and using our nail art brushes. And I'm just kind of doing the Frenchie and then going with the lighter shade to outline the Frenchie. Sometimes these are easy, sometimes they're hard. I did some 3D flowers and I absolutely loved them. And that's it, guys. Bye. It's nail day! And peep my cute little shirt. So I got to my studio about an hour early because I did bring some product from our warehouse, so I wanted to fix it all up. Today's nail day consists of 2 clients and they are both regulars. My first client of the day, her name is Stephanie. For her nails, she did want to do one of the brand new gel polishes from the Bare Me collection. If you guys don't know what that collection is, definitely check out our Instagram. It has all of our brand new products that we are going to be launching this Friday, including this collection. It's 11 beautiful nude sheer gels. She really wanted to do this light pinkish one, and I thought that the rose quartz would look so beautiful over this color. It's such a pretty, like, clean, light pink color. This is 1 coat only, so obviously if you want it a little bit darker, just add your second coat. But our formula is so nice that it glides on smooth. So if you need your second coat, it won't be super heavy. This is what we ended up doing. Such a beautiful design. You can never go wrong with marble. Then I had my lunch break. This was my lunch meal prep. My second client of the day, her name is Celeste, and Celeste wanted to do marble as well, but with oranges as her last summer set. For her nails, she likes to go a little bit shorter and she also likes it tapered. So we go in with our Elegance coffin tips and the adhesive. I'm going to show you guys in real time how fast our glue works. There, that's it. And here it is again. 1, 2, up. I'm so excited. All of these things are launching again this Friday at 3 p.m. Central. So for her base, I did go in with a light layer of clear because I am doing a marble with gel as requested. So I didn't want it right on her natural nail. That way I didn't have to use base coat. I just went in with the gel polish on her finger or on her whole nail. And then before curing, you do marble it. I use a dotting tool. This is the best way for me, but I know many other people have different techniques, but I love doing it this way. And then just cleaning up with our nail art brushes to make sure that all corners are covered. But yeah, don't forget to shop, link on my TikTok bio, and look at how cute. Bye! Hi everyone, let's do Tori's nails, wedding nails actually, cruise edition. So she's actually getting married on a cruise, which is so fun. She's came to me 3 times before and they've honestly all been for special occasions. I also love those types of clients where I see them more than once, but they trust me enough for their special life occasions. For her nails, she also went out of her comfort zone. She typically goes very short. But for this set, it was special, so she wanted to go a medium long. We're going in with our extra long coffin nail tips. All of the new product that you guys see here that isn't on our website yet is launching this month on the 30th. For example, the nail tips with the whole new look, the nail adhesive, the nail tip adhesive, and a new cover collection, which you guys will see me use one of the colors here. Right now, we're going in with this beautiful milky white called Bride. And then the nude color is called Cajeta. It is a dulce collection. I really wanted a collection that represented a lot of my childhood. Both of my parents are from Mexico and they just taught me a lot and they showed me a lot. And I just thought something cute like this would be fun. So this whole collection is based off of like all of the chocolate abuelita that my mom would make us with pan dulce. And you guys will see. But this is the gorgeous color, again, called Cajeta. And for her nails, she said as long as they were bridal, that she was good with anything. But she's also not very huge on a lot going on her nails. So I was like, okay, for sure Frenchies. So I chose 3 nails to do the Frenchies on, and I am drawing it on because I want to do like the 3D like shell look because I thought it would fit perfect on her cruise nails. And I am using our Extreme White Gel Liner. All of our products are available on our website, link on TikTok bio. For the 3D, we are using our brand new 3D gel, which is also going to be available on the 30th along with the sculpting gel. This rhinestone adhesive is on sale on our website for the bundle. Added some 3D flowers and look how gorgeous they came out. And that's it, guys. Bye! Hi everyone, it's nail day! My first client of the day, her name is Alexis. This was her first time with me. She did say that she's followed me for a long time now, so she was super excited. Also, don't forget that our nail tips will restock with a whole new look on August 30th at 3 p.m. Central. Her cover color of her choice was Cherry Blossom. I showed her Silk, Cherry Blossom, and Amor. We were just doing sculpted Frenchies. I did ask her if she wanted them drawn on or if she wanted them fully acrylic, and she did say that she's always gotten them with acrylic, so I didn't want to change anything from that. We ended up just sculpting them from scratch. This cover color is so gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It's kind of like Amor, but a pinker version. Also, guys, head over to our website right now. All of our Kolinsky brushes are 40% off. There is no code needed. You can also apply an ambassador discount code at checkout and you get an extra 10%. Link is on my TikTok bio. I added pure white for the white cover, and this is how the nails came out. They were so beautiful, very cutesy, very demure. My second client of the day, her name is Ceci. And for her nails, we went in with the Elegance Coffin nail tips and using our amazing brush-on glue, which is also releasing on the 30th at 3 p.m. If you guys want to see a real time of how fast our glue is, head over to our Instagram, Elegance Nail Supply. For her nails, I am prepping and priming as usual with the Valentino Dehydrator and our Divine Bond. I went in using Diamond Clear as the base because we are using one of our brand new sheer gel polishes from the Bare Me collection. Also releasing August 30th. Now this set was recreated from like over 5 years ago and I loved them. Bye!